In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect Roku remote app to TV without Wi-Fi. If no Wi-Fi is available, you can create a mobile hotspot. Just on your phone, go to Settings, Connections, Mobile Hotspot, and enable hotspot and set the SSID and password to match the Wi-Fi network your Roku was last connected to. Once the hotspot is active, your Roku device should automatically reconnect if the network name and password match. Now, install the Roku Remote app on your phone or tablet from the Google Play Store or Apple Store. Ensure both devices are on the same network and open the Roku Remote app. Tap devices at the bottom of the app and your Roku TV should appear in the list. If it doesn't, tap on Scan Again to refresh. Select your Roku TV from the list, and once connected, the app will work as a virtual remote. You can also use the Ethernet cable if you don't have Wi-Fi or you don't have access to the Google application.